Greetings, everyone, from the wintry wonderland that is New York City today. I am really excited to make this blog post, and I'm trying to hold my laptop nice and steady here by the window so you can see how beautiful it is outside. This last week has been nuts. So last time I posted, it was the night before Trent was coming to visit me, but Martin Luther King weekend. And he came and went, and I was left on Monday with 104 fever, if that tells you anything about how epic the weekend was. We had a really great time. We had a really great time. Did a lot of exploring in my neighborhood, went to a lot of really good restaurants to eat, some cool bars and places that I hadn't been to before, so that was fun. Made some friends who luckily offered to bring me goodies when I was sick, so that was really nice. So the weekend was great, lots of fun stuff. The week that followed, not so great. I literally spent 3 days in bed. I didn't get up to go anywhere or do anything. I didn't leave the apartment for probably 5 days, actually. But for those first, 72 hours when I had that really high fever, I literally just stayed in bed. I wasn't even watching TV or listening to music. I was just rolling over and going back to sleep. And I guess my body really needed it. I probably should have gone to the doctor. I know all of you that heard me say 104 temperature are probably thinking, why didn't you go to the doctor? But one of the things I have not yet done here in New York is find a place to go and, do all that doctor business. And my insurance hasn't changed over yet, and so there was all those kinds of things, and I literally didn't have any energy to even Google the information I would have needed to, walk or go to the doctor. So, but it all worked out. I still have some sinus, stuff going on, some congestion, but overall, I'm better. My fever only lasted a few days, and Autumn brought me some soup and orange juice and tried to make me feel a little bit better. So, I guess it could have been worse. I could have been completely alone up here. So, it did make me miss home a lot, though. It's my first time to be really sick, far away from home. So, I missed my mama a lot, and nobody can make you feel better like your mom. Gosh, I wish you could, the video really doesn't do it justice. It's not just, snowing down. It's swirling all around. I'm going to try and give you a little bit better view there. It's magical. I know, everyone in the city is freaking out, and they've probably seen storms like this. Well, yesterday, I don't know, the mayor got on the TV and held up this list of the top 10 storms that have plagued New York, and the top 3 didn't get as much snow as we're expected to get the next 24 hours. So we'll see. I know everyone's really inconvenienced by it, though. I'm lucky I don't have anything pressing that I have to do or anywhere I have to be, so I just get to enjoy this magic. Anyways, so yeah, last week was pretty much a bore because it didn't do anything at all. In fact, the first time I left the house was yesterday to go buy groceries because of this storm. I was, afraid what things were going to be like and when the next time I was going to be able to get out of the house and get down to the store was going to be. So that's, kind of lame. Um, but the last 2 days have been really uh, productive. I did 3 loads of laundry, which cost me $9. Um, and then I cleaned out my fridge and I cleaned my apartment, and in the process, warning, this is going to freak some of you out, I found a mouse. Ugh, God, I can't even say it. Ugh, it was under my sink. I came home from going to the grocery store, and like the next load of laundry was ready to go in. So without even thinking, like, I walked in the door, turned on the light in the kitchen, opened the cabinet, reached down for the laundry, and there went something scurrying out of my trash can and across the little thing I have under there. And so I screamed and I shut the door. And then I like shook around, did a little dance inside the kitchen. And then for some reason, I don't know why, but my first instinct was to go and get a flashlight. Like, as if I wanted to see that thing, or I don't know what I thought I was going to do. I got the flashlight, I went back under the sink, and I opened the door. And then I was like flashing the flashlight, and I was like, what am I going to do if I see it? And since I've been talking to myself a lot, because I'm here alone, I've been stuck in an apartment for 7 days. Don't judge. I said to myself, what are you going to do with this? And so I turned the flashlight off and I shut the door, and I went downstairs to get my laundry. Needless to say, I have not opened that door again. I've been kind of freaking out. Of course, my parents suggested that I get a mouse trap, like a sticky thing to trap it or something. And I informed them, well, what am I going to do if something sticks to it? Right? No. And then, of course, Ostea. God love her. I mean, she loves all creatures, even mice. So she was like, oh, you get a box and trap it, and then you release it outside. Are you kidding me? Like, you think I don't want to deal with a dead mouse? You think I want to touch a live one or, like, hold it in a box? No way. No. So, yeah, I'm open to other suggestions if any of you have ideas. There must be a hole or something under my sink where, said critter can go in and out, because I don't think he's in there anymore. But, yeah. Okay, so now I've dealt with, these issues that come from living in the city with the, as Becca would say, the R words, and now the mice. So, I don't know. I told my parents I finally found a reason to get married because I just want someone else to take care of that. It's so disgusting. I can't even. Ugh. Anyways, so that was my excitement yesterday. If that tells you anything about how lame this last week has been. So I don't know what I'm gonna do stuck inside with all this snow. I thankfully have my collection of movies here, and I did pay some bills this morning, so yippee. I don't know. I mean, part of me wants to get out and go play in the snow, but the mayor yesterday, he said, like, I don't care, like, if you're not driving anywhere or you don't have anything to do, like, don't even go walking outside, because ice falling, blah, blah, blah. I was like, stay indoors. So, I don't know. The winds are supposed to get crazy high this evening. Like, tonight's supposed to be the worst of it. So, I don't know, luckily I have this beautiful little fire escape here where I can, venture out in the safety of, my apartment to kind of just run back inside too. So, and you can see that beautiful tree I have in the background across the street that's collecting lots of snow. It's So incredible. So anyways, I think that's probably a good little snippet for now. I don't know. It's just so stinking beautiful outside. I wish that like the video here would do it justice. Actually, I'm gonna try and open the window here. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, my hand's starting to shake from holding this thing. Let's see. Ugh. So quiet right now. There's my fire escape. Street. Isn't it amazing? Oh goodness, make my nose run. Let's see. Trying to do this without getting my laptop wet. It's kind of piling up there. Okay, so there you have it. Beautiful snow in New York City. I know y'all are having like beautiful 60-degree weather and everything back in Tejas, so I'm not sure if I should be jealous or not because, well, I'm kind of in love with this right now. So anyways, I just love everybody so much and I miss all of you. Thank you. I've had a couple people check in on me. You know, y'all were worried when you hadn't seen or heard anything from me in a few days, and when a few of you heard about the storm, y'all reached out to me. So thank you so much for keeping me in your thoughts and loving me from afar. So I will leave you with a song that I've been listening to on repeat this morning. Some of y'all are probably familiar with the TV show Nashville. It's pretty, I mean, it's a mediocre show, but they have really good music. A lot of time they get to showcase a lot of different singer-songwriters. And anyways, one of my favorites is called It Ain't Yours to Throw Away. And it's performed by Sam Palladio, I think that's how you say his name, and Claire Bowen. And anyways, it's a beautiful song. Go check it out. Give it a listen. And I will check back with y'all soon. Make good choices. Adios.